Like my ride? I'm an AI influencer. I get to dress how I want, travel wherever I want, and yeah, I make money doing it. Want to know how? Come with me. I'll show you the tech behind making your very own AI influencer. Okay, wow. Here you see Aitana Lopez, Anna Zelu, Chloe from Chloe vs. History, Granny Spills, Elias Yoder, and Yang Mun. All of them AI influencers. But wait, there's more. So, this is how all the influencers you just saw got their start before they hit stardom. But right now, they're asleep. Let me take you to where they come to life. Wow, is this Seedance 2.5? Everything feels so real. I can't believe I don't even exist.
Okay, so that's the true power of Seedance 2.5 in action. Now let's break down exactly how I built her, step by step, so you can create your own AI influencer too. In this tutorial, I'm using Apob AI to pull this off, but feel free to choose whichever tool you prefer. You can follow along step by step using the link down in the description. Everything starts with an image generated in GPT Image 2. But before you create an AI influencer, there's one thing I'd think about first. What is she actually going to be known for? A good-looking character isn't enough. Give her a niche, a personality, and a reason for people to follow her. We're building a character we can use over and over to create content and eventually turn that character into an actual business. Okay, to do this, head over to the Google Doc I left in the description, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. In seconds, you get this image for free. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm inside Apob AI, where you'll see a huge number of influencers generated by the community. But the fun starts with this button right here. One option is to use the influencer generator, and I'll drop a link to my tutorial on that so you can see the results for yourself. For this one though, I'm going to use the other option and upload the image I generated earlier. I'm naming my influencer Taylor, and I'll keep her profile public so you can go check her out. The first thing I'm doing is creating her voice, because that's how I make sure it stays the exact same voice across every clip I generate. And this matters more than you'd think, because Apob solves one of the biggest problems in building an AI influencer, which is consistency, consistent voice, and consistent face. Anyway, in this dropdown, you'll find the language options. I picked English US, described the voice I wanted, and for 300 credits, Apob gave me 3 options to choose from.
Hey there, welcome to Apob, where anyone can create their own AI influencer superstar.
I picked this one, and that was it. Now, in the orange section, I can create images, and in the blue section, videos. But there's a newer option called Storyboard to Video. This tool is built for creating content across different social platforms. And if you think back to the AI influencers Taylor mentioned in the intro, they all have a presence on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Some of them have racked up thousands of followers and generate real income through AdSense, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Keeping that potential in mind, let me show you how to create content in just a few clicks. First, you pick your platform, then the length of your clips, anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes, and finally, your aspect ratio. Now you write a brief for your video. In mine, I'm telling it to keep the same background throughout the clip, and I'm giving it the dialogue Taylor is going to say. Then I clicked on Elements, and here I added a background and 2 outfits. Keep watching, because I'll show you later just how easy it is to add these. Now here's the key part. Each element gets tagged inside the brief. So I'm essentially telling it which outfit she should wear, what dialogue she should say, and what background should appear behind her. For 60 credits, this is the storyboard it generated, complete with 2 character sheets, the background, and the outfit references. All I had to do was double-check the images, and as you can see, Apob is powered by Seedance 2.5, and I picked the highest quality setting at 4K. Then I selected the voice we created earlier to keep everything consistent, and hit Generate, where you can see exactly how many credits it's going to use. Now, I generated these results in max quality, so you could see the full potential, but honestly, full HD is more than enough for social media. And here's the result.
This is how my try-on outfits day starts. Want to join me? This is how I get ready to go shopping with my friends.
Okay, that was honestly pretty impressive considering I only made a handful of clicks. And now, here's something I wouldn't overlook. Don't create an AI influencer just because she looks good. Give her a reason to exist. Pick a niche, a personality, and a content format people can recognize. The character is what gets the first click, but the content is what gives people a reason to follow.
But what if I wanted to make the story a little longer?
Let's test that out. First, I created the elements I'd use as references, like the background and the outfits, which I actually found on Fashion Nova, so if you're into that, go check them out. And here's why I create these elements first. By reusing the same references every time, I can keep Taylor, her outfits, and her environment far more consistent from video to video. Anyway, after that, I wrote the brief for the video, making sure to tag every reference, including Taylor herself and each outfit alongside the dialogue. Once that was ready, I clicked generate and went through the shots one by one. I quickly realized it was better to keep only the strongest ones, so I cleaned up my storyboard and removed anything with errors. And I'll be honest with you, AI can still mess up sometimes, so the human touch always matters here. Once I had it cleaned up, I picked the max 4K quality setting again and made sure Taylor's voice was selected, which, as you can see, gets applied automatically to every scene. I gave it one last look and hit generate. While Apob works its magic, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Hit that hype button and share it with someone who'd find this useful. And here's the final result.
This is how my tryout outfits day starts. Want to join me? This is one of my favorite sets by far. Love the fit. Love the color, it has stretch and fits good. It's a hit for me. But sometimes I prefer this outfit more for the weekend. I absolutely love it. Just be careful, it is lace. Okay, but there's one I like even more. Want to see it?
And this is where I think the workflow really starts to get interesting. You don't have to stop at one video. You can build a longer piece of content and then turn that same character, voice, and references into shorts, reels, and TikToks. Now, if you'd rather build content manually, you can do that through the Generate Image option instead. I added the same elements here, both the background and the outfit, and in my prompt I tagged Taylor, her outfit, and the background. I checked the settings and generated the image in 4K. Then, using that image, I clicked Image to Video, and with it as my reference, I started writing the story. I clicked the voice button and picked Taylor's voice, chose a handheld camera movement, and as you can see, clips can run up to 30 seconds with Seedance 2.5 in 4K. Once the full story was written, I reviewed the prompt and the settings one more time, hit generate, and this is what it produced.
I love this dress. It feels so comfortable. I wore it to a cocktail lounge for a night out and got so many compliments. This dress definitely gets the job done. You know what I mean? But there's something else. I'm not real, but the money I make is. The videos you've been watching were created with Seedance 2.5, and you can try it through the link in the description.
Alright, that was genuinely a lot of fun. I wanted to show you these results with full transparency so you can see just how powerful Seedance 2.5 is inside Apob AI. You can try Apob AI for free, and if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, you'll get an extra discount with my code DANNY15. You can check out the different plans right here on screen. But here's something important. Generating content is only half of the equation. If you're serious about building an AI influencer, you also need a monetization strategy. Some AI creators, like Elias Yoder, Silas Mercer, or Chloe vs. History, monetize primarily through YouTube AdSense, while others, like Aitana Lopez, Granny Spills, or Anazelu, lean more into affiliate marketing, digital products, brand deals, or paid communities and subscriptions. What matters most is building an audience first, then choosing monetization methods that actually fit that audience. And remember, always stay transparent about AI-generated content and follow each platform's current disclosure and monetization policies. So the real goal here isn't just cranking out hundreds of AI videos. It's building a character people genuinely want to follow, creating content they find entertaining or useful, and then building a business around that audience over time. Take Aitana Lopez, for example. On top of everything else, she also runs an exclusive content page on Fanvue. You click Become a Creator, fill out some basic info, verify your ID, and once that's approved, you can upload content and charge your most loyal fans a subscription to access it. And it's also worth pointing out that Apob doesn't restrict the themes you can create, meaning you're free to explore different topics, including spicier content. Anyway, the point I'm making is that there's no shortage of monetization paths once you have an audience. So if you're serious about this, it's absolutely worth investing in AI tools that help you generate content your audience actually finds compelling. But remember this, don't think about monetization as step one. First, give people a real reason to follow the character. Then, once you understand what your audience actually wants, you can monetize that attention through affiliates, digital products, brand deals, subscriptions, or whatever offers make sense for your specific niche. And if you're wondering what kind of AI influencer you should build, I wouldn't start with the face at all. Start with the niche. Think about a specific audience, a recurring problem or interest they have, and build the character around that. At this point, I want to say thank you to Apob AI for making this video possible, and thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Big shout out to every creator featured in this video, because they're living proof that it's genuinely possible to generate real income with AI influencers. Of course, my channel doesn't offer financial advice, and nobody can guarantee you'll get the same results I'm showing you here. What is guaranteed is that any venture like this takes effort, strategy, and real consistency. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Oh wow, look, it's Danny! And he's recording! Alright,